Come take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium cloth seat trim, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.23 ratio and the trailering package, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.